Hey guys, this is Eric with Carolina Blind Crafters. Our team just finished up a project on beautiful Lake Norman here in Cornelius. Just wanted to show you the finished product. We got about a 16-foot unit right there, a 22-foot unit over here, and a couple of 5-footers on either side of this fireplace. Let's go ahead and operate them. I'm on channel 1 here, so drop the first screen. Channel 2 to drop the second one. That second one, the 22-footer, that's considered an XL unit. So it has a patented cradle up under the head box. That keeps the shade from sagging at these widths. It's a very heavy shade at 22 feet wide, so having that extra support really helps it out. If you don't have that support, when you go up and down, it can twist. Let's put it back up. Let's see what it looks like from the inside. This is a black 5% E-screen. This is made, the fabric's made right in South Carolina. The shade itself is made in Indiana by Draper. From the inside, as you can see, you don't really lose your view at all. Beautiful view here. These two we didn't have the electricity for, that's why you see a drop cord running. Let me show you kind of what the finished product is. This is more a standard electrical wiring here. You can do hidden, you can do exposed, really whatever your preference is. Let's fully drop this big unit and see what everything looks like when it's all the way down. We've been using Draper for about 6 years, and I mean, we can't say enough good about the company. It's all American made, even down to that fabric that's made in South Carolina. They're great to work with. Their customer service is awesome, and the product's awesome. And that's why we offer a lifetime warranty on everything, including the motor. So this is what you get, folks. This entire patio is covered now, completely bug-free. They can block that wind. You know, it was a windy day today, and we had these things down, and we couldn't feel anything on the inside. So really amazing what these screens can do. And check us out more at CarolinaBlindCrafters.com, and have a great day. Thanks.